Okay. Yes, guys, welcome. So we are live in the call now in the day 18. Just a second, I'm pasting you the link as well. Just people can go there directly. Yeah, I've pasted the stream key and be active now because you have to chat a lot of things in the chat box because today is going to be a answering session from you guys. It's not like I'm talking always and I'm telling you this, that you guys should able to reciprocate it like what we are actually doing. Okay. Yes. So I've just pasted this. Mm. Yes. Fine, guys. Good. So we are good to start now. I'm just sharing the screen. Yeah. So first of all, today's topic, what people have asked me, like to answer is how to present your projects in the interview, how to project your projects in the interview, particularly when it comes to AI-based industries. Okay. In fact, one of our student has asked this question. In fact, this is a very simple question to answer, but I will also show you some case study and methods how you can able to do it effectively. Okay. Because whatever projects you are doing, if you're not able to ultimately tell clearly to the recruiters, you will be losing out. That is a very, very important part of it. Okay. If you are missing out on this aspect, first of all, whatever work you did, that will go in vain. Okay. So please get this clarity, guys. I want everybody to understand this. I want everybody to type out in the chat. Yes, Jagdish, it is very important equally to how I'm doing a project and how I'm presenting it. It's not like, okay, let me do the hard work, I'll do everything. But presentation, I'm really weak at it, Jagdish. Don't try to what you call demotivate yourself by telling that. You should be able to tell confidently that I'm capable of telling what I got, what I learned, what I did to somebody in 1 minute, in 2 minutes, in 5 minutes. So that kind of a clarity should come for you. Okay. That is why this skill is very important. And many designers are having a big time problem. I'm sure huge problem in that. Okay. In fact, that is what we are going to see in the day 18. Okay. So how to effectively present your projects during the interview, like let's say prototypes or Behance project or medium case studies. It's all the same, guys. You need to get it, okay? People who have did the codex document, they're really lucky and superb. The reason being, codex document would have given you clarity on how to take star model, situation, task, action, and results. You guys are already on the track. The document has already given you an example and you guys would have splitted your projects neatly there. So your responsibility is to just go and use the star model and start talking with the recruiters. That's it. You have to only show that, you have to only present that information. A lot of information is not required there. Okay. So first, let me tell you the details, guys. See, presenting for the projects what you have, like let's say with respect to AI project, the student has asked, but it's applicable for any project. It doesn't matter. Okay. So why it is important? Definitely you guys know it, why it's important. You have to show the problem solving ability. A lot of people think I will only show the UI. I'll only show the visuals. Is that enough? No, you have to show the problem solving ability. I don't want to see, like, let's say, if I'm hiring a person for my company for cutting a tree, I don't want him to see that he's cut down the tree and then he's putting a picture around him. I wanted to see how he's used his tools and the process to cut down the tree. Because if I understand that, then I will get a clarity whether this person is qualified or not. Because in my garden, the trees are different. In my garden, there are different kind of trees. thickness, higher trees and low trees. What I wanted is that person has already cut down thin trees, but will that person able to come and cut the thick trees which I have in my garden? I want to see the problem solving ability this person has. Okay, how he used to sharp the tools, how strategically he keeps the tool in order to cut that. Initially, what he does. So, what he does first, before cutting the tree, he will just go and shave all the remaining parts of it so that the tree is standing. Okay. Then he will see whether the safety is taken care, anybody is falling or not. Then he will keep the support. If the trees fall, also extra support is there. Then he will sharpen the tool. Then he will cut from the two sides. So, this is what I require. Any recruiter only requires this. You don't need to show some landing pages and websites and all these things, guys. That is okay. But tell what has made you build the landing page. This is the very, very first information which you have to remember. If you're presenting your project, put it in your mind. Problem solving ability is what people expect from you. If you're not showcasing that, whatever you talk in the interview, it is completely BS, waste of time. Okay. Showcase your technical and creative skills around it and emphasize the impact and value. Anyway, if you know how to completely show your problem solving ability, you can also show how much impact it is creating. Sir, before it is like this, after it is like that. You should always use the term before and after. Particularly when you're taking AI roles, be very clear. It requires a clarity and the innovative solution, because AI is very evolving and a conceptual field as of now. So you should choose your visuals, information, statistics very carefully. If you're not able to find out, it's better you ignore. But if you are taking some information, make sure it is very specifically available. Okay. And you can use AI presentation tools and other things also. Okay. And you can highlight the measurable results. You have to show, sir, after implementing this call to action, now the engagement has become twice higher. Now the customers are staying a lot more time in our product, in our service. So that is what is the measurable result which you have to show. Okay. Okay. Let's see the misconception. Presenting more projects is better. How many of you thought it's actually a big problem? Raise your hands. I want everybody to go to YouTube channel and type out how many of you really thought that this is a big problem. I know. Oh, I need to have a lot of projects in my portfolio. Please go and type out on the YouTube. Let's understand from the public also how much people are really resonating with this topic. Okay, let's understand that. Yes, go and type out in the chat, guys. I can see only 1%, 2%. Go fast, fast, fast. Okay. No. What? No. Why did you understand the question? Okay, okay. Maybe if you're doing it right, that's okay. Fine. So, technical jargon terms is necessary. Another misconception. Like, oh, I need to tell user mapping, empathy mapping, user journey, problem statement, user testing, prototyping, high fidelity mockup. I'm telling you one thing very clearly, guys. People who use these terminologies, they get barely little chances to get selected. Particularly, I worked with many recruiter also. Okay. One of the recruiter, a few months before, he said, Jagdish, if you see anybody using these terminologies and technical templates, don't send that portfolio to me. He directly said that to me. You guys will be absolutely stunned. What Jagdish you're saying? No, guys, it is really true. If everybody is using the same process, then what creative you are bringing in your design? Then how you are unique from the other people? Please think about it, guys, because this is not a game to, it's not about mugging up something and then you're replicating it. Okay. It's about what is your true problem solving ability that you are trying to bring here. People will only look at that. It's as simple as that. If you're not understanding this part, you're largely missing a big picture. Okay. Okay, Jagdish. Then what should I mention in my projects? Make sure your process, whatever you did, it should be very real and raw. Each and every stage, what did you evolve? What did you understand from each of the steps? Sometimes the project may require a different kind of a, like, let's say, output. You may require to do a, what you call, just a second, guys. What's happening here? Am I visible, right? Am I visible, guys? Please confirm me. Why I'm not able to see myself? Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
cool. So at many point of time, your
Yeah.
process very non-linear. You will be guided based on the step what you completed. So a non-linearity or some kind of a realness should be there in your projects. Bring out that. If you feel like what you call collecting statistical data is very important, bring that as a heading. No problem. You don't have to put primary research, secondary research. No. So the reason why I'm telling you is the moment when people are quickly glancing your presentation, they have to get the feel that this person has really put some real novel thought into the work. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Technical terms is not necessary. Simplify your information and avoid this kind of a terminologies. Okay. So what are the key methods to present it? First of all, show the process, not the result. I already told you that. Don't show only the landing pages. Tell what is gone beyond these landing pages. Okay. Highlight the each stage, not only the outcome. Okay. Start with a strong, clear context. First of all, you have to give the overview. Like, let's say this was the problem before, and after implementing this is the impact which you are trying to create through this problem, through this case study, through this project. The context is set. Like, let's say if Faisal is doing, Faisal, what's your recent project? Can you tell me? Let's go for Manigandan. Manigandan, tell me what's your recent project?
For AI,
Anything, whatever you are doing.
I am
Okay.
working on a comprehensive digital platform for self-discovery.
Okay, 1 second, guys. Just a second. I'm. Hey, but I'm able to see here. I'm able to see my video. Can you see here? Thank you, Arvind. Anyway, thank you for letting me know. Cool. Yes, Manigandan. Tell me. AI,
Digital platform for the self-discovery to
digital
the
platform for self-discovery.
to
Okay.
the youngsters working in urban cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. For that, what you have to do is, first of all, understand what is the missing data. I think we did a small research also, right, in the AI tools to find out in what cities the gap is missing and try to provide the impact. By introducing this, how much people are you trying to bring upfront to the system? By implementing this, how much people will get a lot of awareness and approximately tell how much users will download your mobile app or a website or whatever you're going to create a product, and what kind of a benefit are you tangibly showing. You can able to mention that. See, the moment when you're explaining that with the context, automatically it will connect with the real world. So use some KPIs to express that. That means KPI means key performance index and metrics. Mention those statistics and numbers. Then only people will see the connect, or else it will be like too much in the air. Please remember this very carefully, okay? And tailor your presentation according to a role. If you're presenting a work to a UI UX designer, or maybe you're looking for a senior manager role, or you're looking for an internship, or you're looking for a UX researcher, be very specific on those role and mention those in your presentation. Don't randomly open your case study and start talking. Nobody likes that. It's a utter waste of time if you do that. Please remember very carefully, we are not here to talk some jargon terminology and technical terminology. In fact, the less technical you have in design, the better creative you will have. Too much if you study all these laws and concepts and everything, you will not know what to really apply in real time. I have seen many people who are operating with a good presence of mind. I have seen them really rocking the show properly. They are having a better problem solving ability than those people who know a lot of technical terminologies and all. Okay. And integrate those specific AI terminology. This is most important, guys. If you're not using the AI terminologies, like let's say AI understands prompts, AI understands based on large language machine learning model, and AI understands based on the specific information and the data what you give. And AI works on a very smart algorithm which is inbuilt inside each of the every program. So you have to use this key terminologies inside your project, particularly if you're applying for those industries. Once you're applying with these keywords and tailor making a presentation and making sure you connect some statistics and setting the context, and then showcasing the real problem solving ability, you will have a better leverage to talk to people. This is most important. Okay. So everybody has understood this 5 step. Type you in the chat box. Yes, Jagdish, I got a clarity what you're saying. Type you in the chat box in the YouTube. Go to the YouTube and type out you. Yes, Jagdish, I got the clarity what you are trying to say. Okay. Why is this becoming so big? Not coming exactly what I'm requiring. Okay, fine. Fine, guys. Okay. So now let's see the live demo of it. Okay. Like let's say Manikandan has given one project. Choose a relevant AI project. Like let's say use AI driven prototypes or hosted projects. Like let's say if you're saying, Manikandan, you have some summary or description for this problem statement. Have you collected some information? Can you share it with me? And you can outline the project problem. Okay. People who are using the star model, guys, you don't have to worry at all. Okay. If you use the star model, like let's say you will know what is the situation, what your project has, how it brought, and what are the tasks you have taken to complete it, and what are the actions you have brought in to complete that, and the results. Okay. The moment when you're copy pasting this into chat GPT and asking to outline a problem statement, you will definitely get this data. I don't need to even showcase a demo because we all know how to use the AI tools better. 2 days before also we did a very deeper AI class. Okay. So how you can able to leverage those tools and get more clarity in your communication, because what happens is when you're giving enough data to the system and asking it to outline the problem, you will have a better control in the information what you're going to put. Before AI, what happens is students don't know what to put, what to ignore. But right now, because of the AI tools, which I've also suggested you, you can get huge clarity in the information, whatever you're doing, right? Okay. Manigandan has given me some information, problem statement. Okay. Key insights. Okay, good. I'm just copying this entire thing and then I'm opening this. So you guys can see my work, right? See my screen, right? Were you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Great. Okay, look at this. So now what happens is I'm just copying this. Okay. I'm just copying this entire information. Um, That means first is outlining the problem statement, describing the challenge and the situation exactly what you took, and the walkthrough and the process. What did you exactly do? Like let's say the tools what you used, the methods what you derived. Like let's say if you used double diamond method, okay, you can tell that. If you used convergent thinking, you can mention that. If you used random ideation keyword, you can mention that. If you used any kind of a data analysis method to conclude, you can mention that. If you have observed field data and concluded, mention that. So whatever is the method you used, please mention that. It's highly responsible, you as a designer who knows what method you guys have used. Okay. Don't put only ideation, random, what you call ideation, prototype, testing. Don't do that. Mention the method what you used. If you have not used any method, at least use it today for your earlier project and add more value and then change your case studies. Please don't put normal terminologies and get lost, guys. Nobody's going to hire you. Okay. And then you have to finally present the outcomes. Make sure the data, everything should be clearly mentioned. Okay. So what going to do is I'm just going to copy paste this. Okay. For the project what Manigandan has given. Oh, I'm really sorry. Okay. First I'll copy paste this information. For the project details, which I'm pasting below, provide the, okay, I've just copy pasted all the information Manigandan has put, and I'm asking AI to provide this information. So what happens is ChatGPT will exactly now going to provide a project outline, a walkthrough of the design process, final outcomes, and what are the method and techniques he used. Okay. If he has a lot of data, definitely it will pick the data from this. But if he has not understood, not detailedly did it, it will again take its assumption. Okay. I assume you are having your entire project details and everything. And based on this, if you use this prompt, you can get a very high quality output. You can see outline of the problem statement. AI technology challenge. Young adults in urban India faces a range of personal and professional challenges, including career stagnation. What are the tasks? Develop an AI powered platform and do it. See, walkthrough of this design process, double diamond method, convergent thinking, random keyword identity. Since I've given, it is coming you, okay? But you guys have to put the exact outcomes what you want. The reason why I'm asking you to take this is using this AI tool, you can bring the clarity to your projects. And then you start talking with the recruiters. See, 20% improvement in the overall standard life standards for the platform users. 75% of the users engage with the platform community feature. 60% of the user reported this. See, and when you're always presenting a project, guys, Listen to me very carefully. Remember these three keywords, okay? Hook, pain point, solution. Okay, remember this, write it down. Hook, pain point, solution. Okay. Whenever you're talking about anything as a project or a problem statement or presentation to any recruiter, make sure you mention this hook, pain point, solution. Like, let's say hook. You know what? Today, nobody has a visibility in the metropolitan cities. This is called hook. Pain point. Okay. Because of which, like, let's say I can use one statistics also. Today, like, let's say I'll take this 20% of the improvement in overall standard life production is there. And let me see one problem statement. Wait. Okay. So let me see. Today in the metropolitan cities like Chennai, Bangalore, 18 age to 35 age people, they don't have the proper visibility in the online. They don't have the what you call, they don't have the digital platform presence and they are not able to self-discover themselves in these urban cities. Okay, this is the big pain point. And the kind of solution what you're going to offer, we are building a platform which is completely AI enabled. In one click, in one what you call, in one session or one activity or a task, whatever your application is going to do, can help these people build an online presence very fast. Okay, so you're going to tell the hook, like this much of people are getting affected, and the pain area, 18 to 35 age people are not having the exact online presence, and the solution. We are building a platform where using your simple Facebook ID or maybe simply your LinkedIn profile or maybe simply your unique Aadhaar identification details, we are going to bring a presence for you. And this is what is our solution. Okay. The hook, pain point, solution. Okay. Remember this. In 30 seconds, you can explain your project. In 1 minute, you can explain your project. Every project has this format, guys. If you have not taken this earlier, you have to go and take it now. It's your responsibility to go and write it down. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen again. So listen to it. Like, let's say, just a second, guys. Listen to this. So this is the details which I've got through the process and everything. Okay. If I have to present this project, can you give me an idea how I can use hook, pain point, and a solution to explain this to a recruiter for this project? And don't worry, in the codex document, I've already fed this information inside. All of your codex document, when you ask this, it will exactly extract this project details and it will exactly use this prompt to explain you. Okay. So look at this. So start with the powerful statement. Okay. Do you know that over 70% of the young adults in India feel stuck in their personal and professional growth despite living in one of the most rapid environment cities? You know what? Majority of the people from 18 to 35 age in India are struggling with this self-development problem and balancing their mental well-being and advancing their career. And now I'm Manigandan. I am designing a platform which is exactly AI-based driven tool using ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. We are personalizedly assessing and curating the content and creating an interactive learning management system for you. And by using that, people can improve their life standards by 20% high. Would you like to see my solution? Can I share my screen and show you? Would you like to see the research what I did, or would you like to see the ideation what I did, or would you like to see the final solution only? Based on the time, you have to ask this question. See, hook, pain point, solution. Don't talk any random stuffs. Don't tell I did primary research, I did secondary research. Who cares? You have to tell this information and then ask the people what exactly details you want. If they say you walk through everything, very nice. Then for the next few minutes, you can tell about this is the first place why you started this project. Manikandan has to explain, sir, even personally, I faced this problem. And you have to tell a little story. Why, in the first place, you have choose this project to be delivered. If you are not having a story properly, absolutely there is no connect in your project. Tell the story, then tell how did you first approach this? Where did you go? How did you collect the information? And then you explain about how ideas you got, and then you can take through the process and journey. You can use your visuals to share it. Make sure you show the process. Make sure you show your mistakes. Ultimately, that is most important. Okay. When you show your mistakes and when you show your learning, then and only people will connect with you. Okay. This person is very ready to learn. He is very adaptable. As a fresher, the expectation for the recruiter or the design industry will be how flexible and adaptable you are. If you're not showcasing that ability, gone. They know here you don't have any experience, you don't have much big projects. They already know that. They will not expect that you will have a high quality presentation and high quality work and all. You should show that intention that I'm ready to learn, sir. See, this is the project. If I'm given a chance one more time in your organization, even I can build this AI platform in real time and create a product portfolio for your company. I'm ready to do that because this is a real problem. I took the statistics from online, but the statistics is real. I took from the Indian Labor Association. I took from the what you call Health Department of India. You can mention some sources where you took this data, and then you have to tell them, sir, if I'm given a chance to work with you for internship, I can solve it. I know the methods, I know the process. I've already did many projects like this, but this one is very passionate for me. It's a very personal project. And truly, self-branding is very important. And a lot of urban population in India and in Bangalore and Mumbai are not having. I told you, more than this much of people, 60 to 70% people don't have it. Okay, and there is no platform right now available. It's all there in bits and pieces, and I'm here to solve that. And I'm going to use a method called this, called that, called this. You have to mention that method and process. Very simple. Is my communication clear for you guys from the last few minutes? How I explained the project? Everybody could understand what project I'm doing, right? This is called bringing the curiosity. You're not even showing any visuals. You are bringing the curiosity. What happens is in real time, people have a lot of visuals and they show it, and people don't understand what is this visuals about. Have you built a website, or have you built any? Have you solved any problem, or have you did any product design work, or have you designed any graphic design work? While I'm seeing the portfolio, also I'm getting super confused. What are you trying to say? Okay, so that is what you need to correct, guys. So now I wanted you to do an activity for the project you did. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. People who are watching in the YouTube also use the same method what I've used now in the chat GPT. Take a description of your one project from your portfolio and make sure you write the hook, pain point, solution. Can you write it down now? Open a tab in chat GPT, open a new chat, open your project description or project. Let's say if you have a full project, also copy paste it, no problem. Chat GPT takes a bigger length outputs. Copy paste it and ask for, hey, chat GPT, provide the hook, pain point, solution for my project. And then you have to write down what is the pain point, hook, and solution what you got shortly in the chat box in the YouTube live. Okay. Now the time is 6:30. You have time till 6:35, and I'm live here. Okay. Please do it. And people are watching it, going to watch later also. Please do it because I have to understand how you guys are working in real time. Let me also see what's happening in the chat. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Tilagar, Aravind, Shantilal, Ponish, Faisal. Excellent here. Great, great. Do it fast. Do it fast. I want everybody to find out this. Okay. You can use any AI tool. Totally up to you. You want to use Google Bard. You guys can ideally check it with Microsoft Copilot. Can you guys try it out? Because Microsoft Copilot quality of response is really high. Why don't you try it? Because we all know Chat GPT, right? We are pretty much using it. So why don't you try this new? Experiment it. Open Microsoft Copilot, log in with your Gmail ID, whatever you have. Quickly start using the same chat, same format. Doesn't make a big difference. Okay. Muttu has given me some project. Hook pinpoint solution outcomes. Thank you, Muttu. Can you copy paste there really fast here? How did you do that?
While taking the class now, private.
Very
And
nice. Very nice. Super fast. I really appreciate super fast. Okay, this is called fast implementation. See, guys, there is a saying: uh, money loves speed. Okay, it's not a saying by any sage and all. It's by observation. I've heard this information, but it's really true. I will tell you what, people who take a very faster decisions and they were able to improve in their career, and money loves speed. That means if you want really good salaries, if you want to really have a financial freedom, your decision making ability should be really fast. Yeah, mistakes will come. Correct it, go forward. People who do very, very faster implementation and people who take super speed, money loves speed. Okay. If you want to really a good salaries, if you want to really have a breakthroughs in your career with respect to financial ability, take decision fast and implement like Muthu. Okay. Muthu is going to absolutely crack a lot of results in this month. I really wish you all the best, Muthu. Superb. Okay. See, everybody has a different speed. That's okay. According to you, what is best for you, bring that. I'm not comparing anybody. You have to bring your own best. That is what is the true thing what you have. Okay. So Muthu, can you try for another project now, since you have some time now? Okay. Copy paste the same in your chat box also in YouTube, and later you can put it in your.
So this is the ideation, yesterday ideation. This is a new project.
Good, good. No problem. Anything else also you can take, I'm saying, because you got little time now. Another 3 minutes is there. Think about it. Okay. Excellent. Great. And anybody who wants any doubts, please do ask me. I hope everybody's clear with the activity, right? Great. I can also see some chat box. Okay. You can type that big pain point here in the chat box. Let the chat box overflow. Another 2 more minutes. But I cannot see any chat box coming. Are you guys doing it? Any other? Anywhere you guys are stuck? And you're going to get additional points, guys. As soon as you complete it, go to your learning management portal and claim your additional 25 points. Okay. Because ultimately you should get the benefit also what you guys are getting. Just a second. What happened? Today is October 10th, right? Okay. So go to your learning management portal and get those 25 points extra. Enjoy. Come on.
Sir, Copilot login is taking too much time. So, shall I
Okay,
do it?
no problem. Use ChatGPT. Close it. No problem. Don't think much. Just do it. That's it. If you're having some issues. Great. Okay, guys. Fine. Time's up. Time's up. Already we have crossed 2 more minutes. Okay. But I'm not seeing any chat box. Only Muttu, Manikandan, Sneha. Only level up your game with single. Only hook is there. Yeah. Where is the pain point and where is the solution? Okay. Pain. You should not mention this much pain points. Listen to me carefully. See, pain points cannot be this long. Hook, pain point, solution. 30 seconds you have to talk. Very simple. See, hi, I'm Manikandan. 70% of the Indian population who is living in the urban cities have a problem of projecting themselves online for a self-development. This is a very big pain point, and people are getting into the depression mode because they are not able to project themselves properly. We have built an AI platform in order to enable this and improve their life standard at least by 20%. And if you like to see my project, you can click the link below. Simple. This is what is called presentation. If it's a recruiter, you can ask, can I share my screen to show that? If it's a phone call, can I get a Zoom call to introduce about myself and show the project? Call to action is very important, okay? Because ideally, I have not told you about the call to action, but first three you have to understand, okay? Hook, pain point, solution, and final is call to action, okay? And I'll tell you how you can able to do it. Everybody can open your portal, not portal. Everybody can open a new tab, and there is a tool called Weed.io, okay? Just a second. It is a beautiful, beautiful tool, guys. Wait, I will send you the link. You can open there. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Here. Okay. Look at this, guys. So I'm just sharing you my screen. Okay. Uh, the spelling of this tool is VEED.io. Okay. Just listen to me. I'm just showing you an example. Just listen to me very carefully. Okay. What I'm doing. Okay. So if you open Google, like let's say, I'll close this tab for you. Okay. And I'm going to take this as a script. Okay. I'm going to record a 30-second video for this. Can you give me a script with hook, pain point, solution, and call to action for a recruiter to call me back? So based on your audience, you have to decide that carefully. Okay. See, guys, very, very important. Listen to me, because nobody is going to ever explain you with this manner to make a call to action very clearly. Because the big reason why people are losing out is they don't understand anything. They just talk randomly. They don't have a format. If they have a format also, they don't know how to bring a call to action and convert it. The moment if you're recording this as a video and then you're putting it in your website, portal, Behance, whatever, you get a better leverage for the people. Okay. So now the content is ready. You don't have to even worry. Just read this and get it prepared. Okay. Don't worry. Even if you're confused, no problem. Just copy this. I'll tell you in that tool, there is another option. You can go to weed.io. Okay. People can type out this. It's a very simple tool and you can start working. Okay. Can you see the spelling? Weed.io. You can create a free account and there is an option called record video. Okay. So ideally, if you have a very good video, it would be fine. Like, let's say if you want a screen share, then if you want to present something, you can do it. If you want to only talk, you can use this camera. Right now, I'm just showing you this, or maybe look at this. Okay. Right now, I'm in front of you guys. Okay. So mic is already there. So you just have to keep it landscape, portrait, whatever you want. It's a very, very simple, fair enough tool. Okay. Like, let's say you have right now some problem of talking in the camera. You are very shy. Don't worry. There is an option called prompter. You can just copy paste this. Whatever you guys have, can you see some prompter information coming? Can you see, guys, what's happening? Okay. So did you know that 70% of the young adults in India struggle with a personal professional growth? So I'm just getting the prompter here so that I will know exactly what to talk. Okay. Maybe if I want to bring it as a big screen, I can do it. But yeah, for now, this is okay for me. Okay. Let me keep it aside like this way. Okay. Just if you want, some of the people are very confident in talking. They can able to do it. Okay. Like, let's say if I want to still talk, I can just go and record this button. Okay. Welcome. I'm very passionate designer who solved one of the big problem nowadays. You know, the big problem is 70% of the young adults in urban India are facing with the problem of personal and professional development. If you are one among this, the case study what I did is going to absolutely help you. And you will not believe many platform focuses on various things, but I have exactly focused on solving this problem and improving the people's mental ability and personal professional branding for them. Okay. By using this particular strategy 20% of the life standard is getting directly improved. And I've used method called double diamond process, and I've interviewed close to 10 people for this research, and I brought solution in a very simplified mobile app format. And you can go to that below Figma screen, which I've created an application, and you can install and see it. And there is a barcode also. You can scan it and you can see how the interactions are really working. And to be very honest, I put 1 week of effort to complete this project, and I would like to interact with you. What do you think about this project? What does you feel about it? And I have also dropped my email to find out me and chat about this. Okay, bye bye. That's it. Did you guys hear my voice while I'm talking? Because two microphone is activated parallelly. I'm not sure. Okay, like let's say you can put AI, personal branding platform. Okay, you can go to this option called edit. The moment when you go to the option called edit, what happens? There is an option called subtitle. Okay, you can click this option, automatically it will generate a subtitle for you. Like let's say if you wanted to change it like a reel, if you wanted to change it like Jagdish, I want to put it like this YouTube short here so that I can put it in my Behance profile. No problem, you can do it. Okay, you will not get the high quality because in the free account you can get only 720 pixels. Okay, right now I'm using 4K camera, I'm getting this, but you guys can use at least 720 in the free account. Okay, and use the subtitles. See, it has come. Okay, and if you want, you can able to change the subtitle also, completely no problem. Like let's say, welcome. I'm very passionate designer who solved one of the big problem nowadays. You know, the big problem is 70% of the young adults in urban India are facing with the problem of personal and professional development. If you are one among this, the case study what I did is going to absolutely help you. And you will not believe many platform focuses on various things, but I have exactly focused on solving this problem and improving the people's mental ability and personal professional branding for them. Okay, by using this particular strategy. This is one way of recording. Okay, once you recorded this, then you can able to go and change this. Like let's say if you want to change your subtitle to whatever font, you want to reduce it, you can do everything, guys, no problem. If you want subtitle to be very small, if you don't want subtitle, you can remove it. If you want to add some emoji, there is an option. It's like very very simple tool. In just 10 minutes you can learn this tool. It's not a big deal. Okay, if you want to add any background music, you can add, but it's totally fine. Okay, you can just change it and go and export this. Once you're done with this, go and export it. Okay, and you can put this burn subtitles and start exporting. Automatically it will come out. Okay, this is one possibility. Go to another tool, go to another what you call another tab, record another video. Like let's say you're going to record a video, but ideally with the screen and the camera. Okay, like let's say I'm going to explain this chat GPT screen. Maybe I can explain this word file. Okay, like let's say if I'm Muthu. Okay, I'm going to explain now. Like let's say Veed is sharing the screen, but you can go to this Veed option also. Can you see? I'm also coming. My screen is also coming. Can you see here? Can you see here, guys? This is no big magic and all. It's like directly available. Okay. So now what I can do? I can just start recording. Hi, everybody. Welcome. I think you must have seen the first 30 seconds video. So now I'm going to explain you about my project in detail. See, this is the exact problem statement I've taken. And this is the insights what I've got. I used a statistical analysis method and I went into the details of understanding how much people are going into it. I went into the Indian government website. I went into the health ministry's website, and I found some interesting statistics. Can you see? 18 to 35 age people are really having this problem. And what happened is personalization is a big crucial issue. And based on which, what I did is I did a very big mind mapping, and I understood what is the thing which is affecting community engagement, interactive learning, motivation element. And then I used a method called this, and I used a method called that, and I used a process on this, and I had a struggle for this, and I used a strategy to overcome the struggle like this. And this is the final output which I have got. And the final output is something like this. Okay, and this is the project which I took a lot of time to explore and do it, but personally this has really helped me a lot to grow forward as a designer, because many times I thought I have to do only this way to solve a problem, but this project expanded my learning process, and I learned by mistake. That is what I wanted to highlight, and you can able to see it. And also, if you would like to interact with me, you can go and click this button and send out an email to me. Okay, thank you so much. See, now you're going to record yourself as well as your project. You don't need to have a big case studies, guys. You just need to have 1 or 2 slides which is explaining your project, and you are there. See, this is more personalized touch. You can just go and directly import this. If you don't want any kind of a subtitle, just go and directly import it. Okay, you will get 720 pixel. Don't worry, that is pretty much enough in the free account. Don't think much, just do it. Okay, the moment when you are getting this, look at this. You will be getting an export like this. Welcome. I'm very passionate designer who solved one of the big problem nowadays. You know, the big problem is 70% of the young adults in urban India are facing with the problem of see how this emoji is coming exactly. I didn't do anything. These are all like AI enabled softwares. Pretty much it does all of this work. Okay. Go and download this video. Okay. Go and download this video. Go to your LinkedIn profile. Okay. Go to your LinkedIn profile. Go to home. Write article. Okay. Upload from computer. Okay, it's getting downloaded. Just wait. Hmm. What happened here? Okay. Even you can give a link for your video platform. Like let's say if sometimes the video is not able to play properly, there is an option called share. Can you guys see this? Okay. Go and click copy link and go and put it. Like let's say I'll take a headings from this AI which has given me a topic. What is this topic name? Okay, you can ask even ChatGPT in your codex document. Provide an attraction caption for me, how I can able to put it in my LinkedIn platform. Since I've recorded a video now, I'm going to put it in my LinkedIn and Instagram page. Give me attractive caption and hashtags for this. Look at this. Growth potential for urban youth. Okay, you can add this emoji. Go to this. Put this. Okay. Look at this. Okay. I'm copy pasting this. And also I'm going to use this Weed platform. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to put it here. Like let's say look at this. In my latest video, I've dived into the deep AI platform. That's it. And if you want to create some image for it, you can do one thing. You can go to the image and you can create one image also. If you want to use Unsplash, you can use it. Okay, create a design. If you want to create any image or a thumbnail or anything, you can use Canva or you can use the inbuilt AI tools. Totally up to you. Okay, but you can use something called Unsplash. A lot of people might not know about this Unsplash, but this is a beautiful platform, guys. Okay, you can go and use this Unsplash and click this. It's a free account. You can use this as well. And you can use AI for personal branding. Okay. Like let's say AI for personal branding. Like let's say this picture looks really good, right? So let's copy this. Save image. And then you can go to the desktop. You can download. Possibly see if this picture could be exactly put here. Okay, maybe I can type here. It is showing me some images, but I don't really like this LinkedIn images because it's not really appropriate sometimes. Okay. You can able to upload from your computer. Oh, one or the other way, some format is there. Okay. You can download free here. Yeah. You can credit the image properly and for the min fam, or you can attribute him. I mean, that's a code of honor which pixel, what you call this image will show you always. It's unsplash image. So what happened here? It's not coming. JPEG is downloaded. Okay. Happened. No, this is not the thing. Oh, here it has come. Good. Okay. Just open this. Next. That's it. See, even if you put your video here, like let's say, if I'm bringing a video, ideally speaking, I don't know why is this video not coming, but okay, fine. You can just give a link. That is perhaps enough for you. Okay. And once people are seeing this, and next, what happens? This becomes a post. And the moment when you click it, like let's say, if I'm clicking this link, it will automatically open. And Manigandan will be talking about a project. Welcome. I'm very passionate designer who solved one of the big problem nowadays. You know, the big problem is 7 honest, I put 1 week of effort to complete. Okay. Then you can go to this video also and show. Hi, everybody, welcome. I really having this problem. And what happened is personalization is a big crucial issue. And based that's it, right? It's as simple as that. You don't have to even break your head much. Same, you can do it in Instagram. Same, you can do it in any other platform which you feel like very comfortable. Okay, because LinkedIn is mostly for textual post. That's why I created a textual post and then I put the link here. Mostly, if you put reels and all, it will not work out really good. But there are some reels which really works out also in LinkedIn. There is no doubt about it. But you can definitely try it out. Okay, but put some medium, guys. Put something. First of all, don't think much. Just put it. If you want to put it in your Behance like this way, do it. See, oh, actually, you guys know this, right? Today, something really terrible happened. But anyway, we'll talk about it. Really, a very good legendary who has lost his life today. Yeah. So you can put it in the media. See.
Sir, is he Ratan Tata?
Yeah, he has died actually. Fine, we'll talk about it. Definitely, it's a very important topic as well. So I'm just completing this topic so that we can stay focused here. Okay. So share your thoughts. What do you want to talk about this topic? And you can do this media and then you can post it. Okay. So two ways you can post your information. One is you can use the text as well as create a hyperlink and people can redirect there, or you can directly post it here so that people can see it in your feed itself live. Okay. So you can put your project details here. You can put your hashtags there. Post it. Once if you're able to post it, then you can share those information to the recruiters. This is how you can able to self-brand yourself, first of all, for the projects what you have. You can present this project also totally fine. You can able to show this as a project case study also for the people. If somebody is messaging you in LinkedIn, you can send this 30 seconds video to them. In 30 seconds, they'll understand who you are. This is how you present the project, guys. And make sure you present with this format: hook, pain point, solution, call to action. Okay. If you're sending out a video, put your number, put your email ID. Don't be random. How come they will interact with you live back? Okay. So think about it. This is very important what I've shared with you in the last few minutes. Okay. And ideally, if you're implementing the strategies, superb. Immediately you'll be able to get results really fast. Okay. And use this HIMOC. Innovation hook you can use, storytelling hook you can use, problem solving hook you can use. Okay, I've already used problem solving hook, but innovation hook is like we are building a platform where somebody can able to come and build their profile and get their self branding done. So Manigandan can also talk about that. Okay, problem solving hook. In fact, Manigandan is also a problem solving hook, whatever he has did. Okay, so highlight those challenges what you faced and tackled it, and bring out an original story around it, and focus on AI driven solutions, whatever is your solution and all. Okay, yeah. So the neuroscience background, yeah, of course. The moment when you're presenting a project in a very clear, precise way, it helps people understand what is the stage you are having and what is the breakdown you're having. And when you provide with a clear logical data, it will be very easy for the people to connect what change you did. Yeah, of course, storytelling will bring a empathy around your project, because ultimately you have to understand we are making the people come into your world to understand what is the logic you built. If you're not bringing them to your world, you lost. Okay. AI and automation roles are increasing by 70%. AI roles have increased significantly in 2025, next year. And project presentation success rate, a clear explained project increases your job offer by 40%. I would tell it will increase by 400% if you do it properly. This is the statistics. But according to me, you can increase your job search by 5x, 10x by using these tools properly. Okay. AI industries demand for presentation skills. Of course, you guys know Gamma, right? Gamma presentation tool. Create a very good presentation. Share your screen. Start explaining. Instead of putting a very big case studies and projects, try to show some videos, because ultimately it is very important. In fact, I'm also preparing some materials for the job special seekers, guys. I'm going to launch it soon. How you can able to self brand yourself in social media, because ultimately this is very important. If you want to cross beyond 15-20 LPA without branding, you cannot do it. With only Behance portfolio, you can get only 25-30,000 rupees job. That's it. If you want to really get high impact for your projects, you need to build a brand yourself in LinkedIn and other platforms. I'll tell you what platforms really works good. Okay. And you can use this tool called Figma. You can able to create some interactive prototypes also. It's possible. You can use it in Miro also. In Miro also, you can record a video. How many of you don't know this? In FigJam also, you can record a video. You can showcase this. And there is a tool called Loom. In Loom also, you can record a video and share through. Same like what I showed in Weed, right? Same like what I showed in Weed. You can record videos and showcase your case studies and post in social media. Okay, highly possible. You can do this. These are all the platforms available. Okay, and reflection is Improve your confidence, guys, by explaining your project in a way which I told you. Don't just randomly brag. Understand how is the process is. Like, let's say some of the interviewers don't have time. In that, you should not talk much. You should only talk about the hook, pain point, solution. Some of the interviews will ask very detailedly. In that case, you can explain detailedly. So understand the ground, what you are playing, and then use the strategy. Don't be just blindly going and pitching to the people randomly. Okay. And for the people who are watching this for the first time, I would highly invite you for my webinar. The link is available in the description below. Please go and watch it out. And in this Sunday, we are conducting a very special webinar, guys. In fact, we are inviting all of you guys, and you can also subscribe to my podcast channel, Substack blog, YouTube channel, and you can come over there. Okay. In the coming webinar, we are going to introduce certain AI tools also. We are going to give you a secrets methods, how we can able to job search very, very faster. In fact, our people also, whoever is already there in our program, can still come for this webinar. It's going to be very insightful and interesting. And we are going to do some live activities also. It's going to be a workshop as well as a live webinar. Okay. And I invite you for that workshop. Click the link below to register and come, and we'll see you guys. Okay. So now everybody has to go and type out what is your learning you got in this entire thing. And also mention what are you going to take action for that, because I want that massively to be shown. Just a second, guys. Can you able to see myself? I mean, can you able to see me?
Yes, sir.
But I'm not able to see myself. I don't know what happened. Okay. Yes, guys. So go and type out your learnings in your YouTube channel. And then you can copy paste in our learning management portal as well. Okay. I've come. Fine, guys. Excellent. So I want everybody to switch on your camera for just an initial photo. Quick, quick, quick. I want everybody to come live, guys. 1 second. Yes, and I'll also put some reactions so that what happened? Just a second. Let me put one AI. Nothing is there. AI related stuff. Anything is there? Give some creative emojis, guys. Let's see how much creative we are becoming now. Okay, let's put something very trendy, or maybe AI. Nothing is there of that sort, guys. Maybe I'll put a rocket. Okay, yeah, come on. Yes, thank you so much, guys. So now I want everybody to go to the YouTube live and what you call, put your learnings top 3 takeaways. And I'm also stopping the live stream. And I guess people have already written a lot of comments. And thank you, Tilaga. Thank you. But only 3 people have written the comments, guys. The hook, pain point, and all in YouTube. What happened? Please go.